Welcome to Alphite, your destination for opportunity. In this video, we are going to fix the problem which we faced during installation of Python 3. So, if you have installed your Python 3 and if you forgot to add a path, you will be having some set of errors. Suppose, see, if I write Python and enter, I get a prompt like Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. To remove this error and to fix this, I'll show you how to do in this video. Okay, just I'll close this. I'll go to the control panel, this PC, uninstall, I'll change a program, I'll search for Python, and then I will uninstall it. We can uninstall the Python entirely from your PC so that we can install it again to fix that error. Okay, it will take a couple of minutes to completely uninstall the Python package from your PC. Okay, so until that you can wait. It's about to end. Yes, so the uninstall was successful. So let me close it. Let me uninstall the launcher to uninstall. Yes, uninstall. So it will take in. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm navigating to the browser python.org and I'm downloading this again. Okay, once I download this package, I'll find it in download, then I can find this exe file. I double click it. Okay, so I just run it. Now you will ask like install now, customize the installation. Before choosing this, just give an option, add a tick to this, add path to path, add Python 3.8 to path, then click on customize installation. Make sure all ticks are there, then go to next. Don't change anything here just delete from here onwards. Okay, here to here, from here to here. Okay, okay, so what you are going to do is, before doing this install, just go to a C, create a folder, new folder, Python, Python. Make sure this and this matches. Okay, so I'm giving install now, so it's going to install. So why you face that issue is like you didn't add your path for this Python, so only your system doesn't recognize it. So once if you add that, you will be successfully getting that. So the process is going to end. So in my computer I again installed the Python. Okay, the installation has been completed successfully. Okay, now let's check. See, the setup was completed successfully. Let me close it. Let me try again. This I'm going to the command prompt and now I'm typing Python, enter. See, now I'm getting that right. My Python interpreted got started. So the problem got fixed. Now I can see Python 3.8.5 had installed in my computer. So I guess guys you would have got a solution to fix and got a clear idea how to install a Python 3.8.5 in your PC. Thank you for watching.